What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Jay, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the K669B USB microphone by the company FiFine. Now, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to the company for actually sending this out. I really do appreciate any and everything that we get here in the studio that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, reviews, tutorials, and unboxings is something that you're into, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. Let's get into it. So first and foremost, guys, you can find this microphone on Amazon for about $29. It does come in black, blue, and silver. The silver is going to run you about $32 as well as the blue one too. So just keep that in mind in case you want to try to spice it up and get a different color. Just know it's going to run you a little bit more. This is a Type A USB microphone, not to get confused with Type C. So just keep that in mind. And it does come with an actual stand, and you can hook it up to your computer, your phone, and things like that. And you can also find the pop filter, which is a FiFine mic pop screen with metal mesh. You can find this on Amazon as well for about $14.99. So just keep in mind, it does come separate from the actual microphone. So let's go right ahead and take a look at that pop filter first. Taking a look around the box, it wasn't nothing really special, just some branding. But once you open it, you are greeted with some accessories. And these accessories is used just in case, you know, you have a malfunction with your pop screen filter. You can put yourself back in the game with those accessories. The next thing we're taking a look at is the actual pop screen filter itself. I do like the quality, I like the build, and I do like the concept. And it did feel real good in the hands. So I do suggest you guys grab one of these. If you do decide to get this microphone, you will need it. And then last but not least, we just have a standard user guide just to show you the dimensions and things like that. Nothing special, but you know, you never can go wrong with a user guide. Finally, we get to the actual microphone box. Once we open that box, we are greeted with like a thank you kind of card that has some company website information listed on it as well. After that, we have the user guide for the K669B. Very colorful, very well put together. Just kind of gives you a little demonstration on how to use it and how to set it up with your actual PC if that's how you're going to use it. After that, we have the actual stand. Real little simple stand, nothing over the top. And then we have the actual microphone with the USB cable connected directly to the microphone. Nice, solid, love the build quality. Great microphone so far. This is what it's going to look like once you put the pop filter and the actual stand on the microphone. I think it looks pretty nice. It's real small, very compact, so it is, you know, a good size in case you want to travel with it and things like that. This is what it looks like, guys. So let's go ahead and continue with this audio test. All right, so some of you guys are probably wondering what an actual audio test would sound like with this microphone. So just to give you guys a little insight on this actual video, this whole video has been recorded with this microphone. From the intro to the actual unboxing, all the way up until now, every single thing has been recorded with this microphone. And I'm actually sitting probably about 6 inches from the microphone, which is how I tried to record it. I have the actual gain knob turned up to the halfway mark. And on top of that, I have not done anything to the actual audio in post or anything. So this is directly straight from the microphone with no editing or anything. And a few other things to note about the microphone. Number one is that it doesn't have a mute button, and it does not have a power indicator light letting you know that you're getting power to the microphone. So prior to recording, just make sure you do an audio check before you record anything. And the USB cable is connected directly to the actual microphone, and it cannot be detached. So just keep those things in mind. So who is this microphone for? I feel like this microphone is for anybody that's looking to get away from recording with the onboard or internal microphone that they have on their phone or like their DSLR or something like that. I feel like a USB plug and play type mic like this will help get you in the game with some good audio quality. You know, it can just kind of, you know, bump you up just a little bit. So that's who I feel like this microphone is for. So one other thing before we actually get out of here, I just want you to drop me a comment below and let me know what you think of the actual audio quality coming from this K669B. And just keep in mind, I didn't do any editing to the audio whatsoever. This is straight from the microphone. So drop me a comment and let me know what you guys think. Now, if you found this video helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.